Number 15 asked us to factor. When we factor, we take the two numbers that multiply together to give us this number. So the first two numbers are 1 times 21. Don't forget to put the variable with it. 2 is not a factor. We have 3 times 7 times y. And what we're looking for is the same factors, for each number. For 49, the factors are 1 times 49. And then we have 7 times 7. So the factor or the number that we see that's alike is 7. These two numbers are going to bring down my plus sign. These two numbers are going to get married and move out together in a house right here together. So both of these 7s live here together now. So I'm going to scratch out this 7 and scratch out this 7. The answer that's left inside, we have the 3 and the y that are left, plus the 7 that's left over here. This is your answer. This is how you factor. You take out like factors, and everything else that's left, you just leave them inside the house or leave them inside the parentheses. If you wanted to put the 7 in the back, that's perfectly fine as well. Number 16. Question number 16 says to factor again. And this time we're factoring 63c plus 27. We're going to find all the factors, all the numbers that multiply to give us 63. 1 times 63 times c. Let's see, what other factors do we have? We have 3 times 21 times c. And then we have 7 times 9 times c. I'm going to put my plus sign, plus. And then we have 1 times 27. We have 3 times 9. So we see a couple of numbers that are the same. We see the 3 that's the same, and we see the 9 that are the same factors. We're going to choose the biggest factor that's the same, which is 9. So I'm going to bring my 3 times 9 here. All right, so remember, from this household, this 9 and this 9 are going to get married, and they're going to move out into their own house together here. So 9 no longer lives here. This 9 no longer lives here. What's left is 7c plus 3. This is your answer. You're factoring out your biggest like or your biggest common factor. Your greatest common factor, which is your GCF. You factor that out, and they move out together. So your answer is 9 parentheses 7c plus 3. If you want to put the 9 in the back, that'll work as well. Number 17.